In today's video, we'll compare creaitor.ai and WordHero. Both of these tools are AI copywriters that allow you to generate both short and long form copy such as blog posts, articles, Facebook ads, product description, and pretty much any other type of copy that you can think of. However, even though they are all AI copywriters, they have a very specific features and functionality that really separates them from each other. In order to do this, we'll look at the pricing, specific templates and features included, as well as compare the quality of output between these AI copywriters. Finally, we'll look at how easy or beginner friendly each of these tools are, and stick around because at the end of this video I'll do an overall rating of each of these tools and also give my recommendation of which tool you should use based on the type of work you do. Fortunately, at the time of recording this video, all of the mentioned tools are available for a lifetime deal on appsumo. So let's start with the WordHero. WordHero is probably the most popular AI copywriter on the appsumo. They have a lot of 5-star reviews and they are very well known within the AI copywriting space. The lifetime deal starts at $89 and this will give you unlimited copy, but this does not include the long form editor. The long form editor is where you will actually be able to create long form copy such as blog posts and articles. And because this is one of the most important features for an AI copywriter, you will almost certainly have to include it if you wanted to get WordHero. If you add the long form editor, it will be an additional $89. WordHero will be a total of $178 one-time payment for unlimited copy and all the features and templates included in WordHero. Creaitor.ai, on the other hand, is a relatively new AI copywriter and the lifetime deal starts at $89. With all of these features and templates included, you also have unlimited copy as well as all short and long form features, all included for a one-time payment of $89. So these are the price differences between these tools. If you just look at pricing, we can see that creaitor.ai is the best option because it's one of the lowest cost one-time payment, but it also has all of the features and it has unlimited copy included. But of course, we don't want to just base our assumption on pricing. We want to look at the features and the quality of AI copywriter to make sure that it's worth the money that you are paying. But honestly, all of these options are very good. I'll put a link for both of this tool in the description below this video. Let's look at some of the templates that come with this tool, starting with WordHero. See, there are multiple options like business, marketing, social media. Okay, so in the business section, you can see book description, book titles. Then we have marketing ideas. Then we have product names, startup slogans, product descriptions, then brand name ideas. And in the marketing sections, as you can see, there is Amazon product description, blog conclusion, blog headlines, blog paragraph, that's in beta mode. And then we have blog outline, intros. Also, then we have the welcome emails, SEO description, lead magnets. There are multiple options. So when you go in the social media, so as you can see, personal opinion, video ideas, video description, video titles. And in the writing tool, as you can see, that's AIDA copywriting formula, then analogy provider, bullet point expander. Then we have content rewriter, grammar corrector. Let's go ahead and take a look at the templates included in creaitor.ai. And I'll show you a few options here. So I'll just select this one, blog. In the blog section, you can see this is blog intro, blog body. Then we have the text summarizer. So blog body is similar to paragraph generator. So then we have this sports report, short story, blog outline, blog idea generator, blog conclusion. So this entire thing is completely for blog. Then we have this digital ads like Facebook ad title, Facebook ad text. Then we have this Google ad title, Bing ad, Pinterest ad title, Yandex ad title. So there are various options here. So in the e-commerce, you can see Amazon product description, Shopify product description. And in the social media, you can see photo post caption for Instagram. So this is for Pinterest. Then we have LinkedIn post, Facebook caption, personal bio. And in the video, you can see this YouTube video title. Then we have video description, video idea topics. And then we have this writer here, text summary, then content improve, creative story. So a lot of option. In terms of templates, I think WordHero is better than creaitor.ai. Out of these tools, Creator is the one with the most templates and the most different ways to use them. It also has some specific templates, but when I look at sheer numbers, WordHero has a lot more templates. Now that we have looked at some of the different templates, let's look at the features these tools have. When it comes to features, WordHero is lacking some important features that will significantly improve the tool. When using some of the other AI copywriters, you will have access to tools like SEO tools, which will enable you to optimize the blog post or your content as you're creating it. You will also have access to plagiarism checker, which means you can check for plagiarized content right within that tool. However, there are not many integrations, so you can really take advantage of these tools. So there are few features that are kind of cool, like the translate feature, which lets you translate any text into any language you want with just a quick copy and paste. However, there are still missing some very important features like SEO features, plagiarism checker integration, and the ability to post content directly from the AI copywriter to your blog. I am somewhat disappointed in some of the features that are missing. You can create very good content quickly using their built-in tools, but once again, we don't really see any SEO mode, so the capacity to truly optimize the blog post after we have created it. So both of these tools receive a score of 3.5 out of 5. Now let's compare the output quality we can expect from these AI writers. To do this, let's create some content for a specific blog post topic and get a sense of how these tools stack up against each other. Let's enter our title right away. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to go into the editor and I'll give you a demo on how you can create a content using WordHero AI editor. So as you can see, this is the editor here. Okay. And on the left hand side where you can see there are multiple options. So what I'm going to do is I'll just write the title like how to reduce weight at home. So on the left hand side you can select multiple options like blog headlines, intros, outlines. Then we have blog paragraph, that's in beta mode right now. So once you go in blog headlines, so suppose if you want to generate some headlines like say how to reduce weight at home, so I'll just click on write for me. See, so now it has generated multiple titles which you can use from. So let's say we copy one of the title, lose weight fast and easy, 3 simple steps. So I'll go back. Also you can create blog outline. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create blog outline like how to exercise at home using common household. Okay, so as you can see, so these are all the outline you can use for your blog. It's super easy to use. So now we'll just click on paragraph. Okay, so what you have to do is we have to generate paragraph. So we have to basically copy the outline and exactly for what topic we want the paragraphs. You have to enter the keywords there. As you can see, so this is the entire paragraph which you can use under the H2 heading. So I'll just copy paste it. I'll just copy it and paste it here. Now suppose say you want to write a paragraph for any other H2 heading, you just have to copy that H2 heading, again go to the paragraph, enter the keyword and it will give you the result. Now we'll just go to the blog conclusion. So suppose if you want a conclusion for this topic, you just have to enter the topic there. So lose weight, fast and easy, simple steps. You just have to copy paste it in the conclusion. Or let's say how to lose weight using common households. So suppose if you want a blog conclusion for this topic, you just have to click on that and it will give you a few results here, so which you can use for your blog. So what I'll do is I'll just go to the editor here. So this is the main editor here. So here, as you can see, you can select the creativity here. So I'll just select optimal here. Then you can also select the number of outputs here. So how many number of outputs you want. So I'll just select 1 here. Then you can adjust the tone of voice here. So whatever, like friendly, rude, witty. So I'll just select friendly here. And then if you want to add emojis, you can do that. And there are different languages also. So for this video, I'll just select English one. And we'll just start with the blog intro. So the title for this blog will be How to Lose Belly Fat. So this is going to be the title of this article. So I'll just hit the create button. So are you looking to lose belly fat? If so, there are a few things you can do. So this is the intro paragraph here. So next what we want is we want the outlines of this article. So you just have to click here and just search for blog outline here. So our topic will remain the same. And if you wish to add any product or service, you can add the keyword here. So I'll just keep it as it is here and I'll click on create here. So here we have, so these are all the outlines here. So next what you have to do is, so these are all outlines here. So next what you have to do is we have to add paragraph here in this individual outline here. So what I'll do is I'll just select this one. So next we have to go to blog body here. I'll select this one and I'll just enter the topic here, why belly fat is a problem. So you can also mention the keyword here. Let's say belly fat. So if you need to include anything, any keyword, you can mention it here and I'll click on create here. So here is the result. You can see, you can just read this. So what I'll do is I'll just cut here and paste it here. So you can just adjust the text here accordingly. So I'll just reformat it here. So this one is done. So let's get to the next point here. So the different types of belly fat. So I'll again enter the keyword here, the different types of belly fat. Again, it's the keyword is belly fat only. So I'll just click on create. So there are different types of belly fat and each type has its own set of risks. So these are all the types of fat here. So again, I'll just cut it from here and I'll paste it in the second point here. The only thing is you need to just reformat it here. So I'll just reformat it here. So once this is done, just go to this third point here. I'll just mention the topic here, then keyword, then click on create. You can also adjust the number of outputs you want here. For this video, I have just kept single output here. So here's the result here for that point. So I'll just cut it here and I'll paste it under third point. So you just need to reformat it because it's not properly formatted here. Okay, so as of now I'll just keep it as it is. So I'll just get the conclusion here. So what you have to do is you have to just go to blog conclusion here and just mention the title here, how to lose belly fat, and click on create here. So that's the conclusion here. So there we have it. So you can see within 5 minutes I was able to generate around 1000 words article. So in no time you'll be able to generate like 2000 words article in just 10 minutes. So if you want to go for a 5000 word article, so that will hardly take, I give them a score of 4.5 out of 5 for WordHero. This is some of the best content you can get from one of the most popular AI copywriters in the market. And even though Creator AI is a fairly new AI copywriter, it looks very promising. When you use their long form editor, you can make a lot of content and the quality is pretty good. So I'll give it a score of 4 out of 5. So for ease of use, I'll give WordHero a score of 4.5 out of 5 because it's also one of the easiest AI copywriter to use. As you can see, we can quickly make an outline and a few really good body paragraphs. For creaitor.ai, I give them a 4 out of 5 points. I think they need to make some changes to their user interface. Some of the features are hard to use, especially if you are new to using AI copywriters. I think this is because they are fairly new AI copywriters, but if they can make it easier to use, it will make the tool better overall. Overall, I would recommend WordHero if you are looking for an all-in-one AI copywriter with both short and long form templates. If you want to create a lot of content quickly, I would recommend creaitor.ai. I'll also leave a link to the lifetime deal in the description below this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you next time.